7 lazy side hustles to automate with AI in 2026. In 2024, AI was just a chatbot. It was a novelty we used to write emails or generate funny poems. But today, in January 2026, we've entered the era of Agentic AI. These aren't just tools that talk, they are systems that do. While the average person is still trying to figure out the right prompt to save 5 minutes of work, a small group of creators and entrepreneurs are using these agents to automate entire income streams from scratch. If you're tired of side hustles that feel like a second job, requiring you to trade your evenings for a few extra dollars, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 most lazy ways to leverage AI automation this year. And pay close attention to number 4. It is quite literally the most hands-off wealth-building system I have seen since the dawn of the internet. First up is the auto-faceless news channel. In the finance world, information is currency. People are desperate for daily updates on the 2026 market shifts, but they don't always have time to read long reports. You can now automate a YouTube or TikTok channel that scrapes the morning's financial headlines and converts them into a polished video. By using a workflow that connects an RSS news feed to a video generator like InVideo AI or HeyGen, the system selects the footage, writes the script based on the latest data, and generates a human-like voiceover. Your only job? Setting the schedule to post at 8 a.m. every morning. You aren't a creator anymore. You're a station manager. Hustle number 2 is Micro-SaaS. With the tax laws of 2026 becoming more complex, people are constantly searching for simple tools. Things like freelance tax estimators or AI budget calculators. In the past, you needed to hire a developer for thousands of dollars to build these. Now, you use a coding agent like Cursor or Replit. You simply describe the tool you want in plain English, and the AI writes every line of code. You host these simple tools on a basic website and earn through small monthly subscriptions or simple ad placements. Once the code is written, there is zero maintenance. It's a digital asset that works while you sleep. Next is the voiceover arbitrage. Audiobooks are exploding in 2026, but hiring a professional narrator for a 10-hour book still costs thousands. Using the 2026 version of ElevenLabs, you can now clone professional-grade voices that are indistinguishable from humans. Authors on platforms like Amazon ACX are looking for high-quality narration at a lower price point. You can take on these projects, run the manuscript through your AI voice model, and deliver a finished audiobook in a fraction of the time. You're providing the same value as a traditional studio, but with 90% less overhead. Now let's talk about number 4, the big one. AI agent lead generation. Every local business, from your neighborhood plumber to a high-end law firm, needs more clients. Their biggest problem? They're too busy to do their own marketing. You can deploy an AI agent using platforms like GoHighLevel's 2026 suite to scan the web for businesses with outdated SEO or poor Google reviews. The AI doesn't just find them. It writes a personalized proposal, emails the owner, and follows up until a meeting is booked on your calendar. You aren't cold calling. You're just the closer who steps in once the AI has already convinced them to talk. This is the ultimate lazy high-ticket hustle because the AI handles the hardest part, the rejection. Hustle number 5 takes us to the world of Etsy and digital products. In 2026, the organization niche is massive. People want 2026 financial planners, habit trackers, and AI learning worksheets. You can use Midjourney to design stunning, high-end aesthetics for these planners and ChatGPT to structure the actual content. Once you upload these digital files to Etsy or Shopify, the fulfillment is 100% automated. When someone buys, the system sends them the file and the money lands in your account. No shipping, no inventory, and no customer service. Just pure digital royalties for designs the AI created in seconds. Number 6 is the AI social media manager. Busy finance executives and CEOs need a presence on LinkedIn and X, but they don't have time to post 3 times a day. You can use a 2026 AI scheduling tool like Taplio or Buffer's Advanced AI to analyze their past writing style and generate a full month of thought leadership posts in about 15 minutes. You charge these executives a monthly retainer, usually $500 to $1,000, to keep their profiles active. You're essentially selling time back to them, using an AI that writes better than most human interns ever could. Finally, hustle number 7, selling finance prompts. As more people try to use AI for their personal finances, they realize that basic prompts give basic results. There is a massive market on sites like PromptBase for super prompts, things like the Ultimate 2026 Portfolio Stress Tester or the Real Estate ROI Analyzer. You spend an hour perfecting a complex, multi-step prompt that gives professional-level financial advice, and you sell it for $10 to $50 a pop. Much like the Printables, you create it once, and it sells to thousands of people who are looking for a shortcut to expert results. The gap between those making money in 2026 and those struggling comes down to one word: leverage. In the past, leverage meant having a lot of money or a lot of employees. Today, leverage is having a fleet of AI agents working for you 24/7. The systems I've described today aren't just ideas, they are active income streams being built right now. If you want the specific links to the tools and agents I mentioned, I put everything you need in the description below. I've also pinned a getting started checklist in the comments to help you pick your first hustle. Don't just watch this video and move on. The lazy part is the automation, but the starting part is up to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.